Hello children, welcome to Grade 2 Computer Digital Learning Platform. Today I am going to discuss about activities using a keyboard, chapter number 5. We will learn first computer related lessons and we will solve the curriculum worksheet number 1. Through this session, we are learning to recognize the keys on the keyboard. We are learning to understand and identify the keys on the keyboard, and we are learning to know the uses of arrow keys and other navigation keys to move the cursor on different directions. My dear children, be ready with your computer textbook, page number 59, curriculum worksheet number 1, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Now we will move to the topic activities using a keyboard. This is a computer keyboard. Let us understand keys on the keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. A keyboard has different types of keys which are used for typing letters, numbers and symbols. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. All keys are divided into 5 different types. They are alphabet keys, number keys, arrow keys, function keys and special keys. There are 26 alphabet keys and 20 number keys. 10 keys are available on the top and another 10 keys are available on the number pad. Here are the 4 arrow keys and 12 function keys. Remaining all we will call special keys. Now I am going to discuss some of the special keys. The keys on which you see words are called special keys. These are used for specific tasks. Now let us understand the sum of special keys. That is, first one is caps lock key. Here you can see the image of caps lock key. Pressing the caps lock key allows you to type capital letters. To turn caps lock off, simply press the caps lock key again. Children, the status of caps lock is indicated by a light on the keyboard. If it is on, you will be able to type in capitals. If it is off, you will be able to type in small letters. Let's move to enter key. Here are the images of enter keys. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. This is used to go to the next line. Let's move to backspace key. Here you can see the image of backspace key. This key erases the letter or number before the cursor. It is marked backspace on it. It is usually the last key in the row of numbers. Let's move to delete key. Here you can see the image of delete key. This key erases the letter or number after the cursor. Let's move to arrow keys. Here you can see the four arrow keys left, right, up and down. There are four arrow keys on a keyboard. These keys allow you to move the cursor up, down, left and right. Up and down arrow keys move the cursor up and down respectively, one line at a time. Left and right arrow keys move the cursor left and right respectively, one letter at a time. Let's move to page up and page down keys. These keys are called navigation keys. Here you can see the page up and page down keys. These two keys are used to move the cursor up or down one page at a time. The arrow keys and the page up and page down keys are called the navigation keys. They help us to move around in a file. Hope you have understood the functions of different keys. Now let's solve the curriculum worksheet number 1. Activity 1. Label the following keys given image below. Keys names are Enter key, Shift key, Caps Lock key, Delete key, Spacebar key and Tab key. Alphabet keys, arrows or cursor control keys, page up and page down keys. Here you can see the image of keyboard. Children, you need to identify the correct key and write their names in the box given. I have done 2 for your reference. Here first box is pointing towards which key? Can you guess, children? Yes, that is Tab key. Then you need to write Tab key. Second one, can you guess, children? Yes, that is alphabet keys. Similarly, you have to identify the different keys and write their names in the given boxes. Home play is read chapter number 5 and complete the activity 1 in the curriculum worksheet number 1. Topic: activities using a keyboard. Thank you. Bye children.